Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to make subdomain in Hostinger. If you find this video helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Alright, let's dive in. Now first of all, go on Hostinger, make sure you are on the home page. Now in here, under hosting, click on manage. Okay, in here, go on the left side and click on domain under emails. And under domain, click on subdomains. Okay, now here, type on the bar your subdomain name. So I'm going with example my subdomain. Now make sure you have selected this checkbox. I highly recommend you to check this. Now after that, here type underscore underscore and your subdomain name. Okay, now just click on create. Now your subdomain is created. That's it for the video. That's how you can create a subdomain in Hostinger. Thanks for watching.